for that. Let's move on to the two-wheeler space, which is stealing the spotlight. The July auto sales have come in. Hero MotoCorp, TVS and Royal Enfield, all of them saw growth of between 19 to 25% year-on-year. Sudarshan joins in to tell us how much of this is on account of a favorable base, how much of this is on account of, business actually growing for them. Sudarshan, my consumer companies are saying that rural things are improving, urban likely to improve. Does that tie in with what your auto guys are saying too?
It's same for auto guys as well, because ahead of the festive season, all the players are saying that they are expecting an improvement in the volume. But first, talking about the July auto sales. Now, except Bajaj Auto, all the companies have reported or basically seen a growth in the domestic segment. Bajaj Auto has reported a decline of 13%, but except Bajaj Auto, all the companies have seen a growth in the range of 19 to 25% as far as domestic segment is concerned. But for the export segment, all the players have reported a growth. Remember, for Bajaj and TVS, contribution of domestic and export is almost the same, around 40 to 45%. As far as Royal Enfield is concerned, export segment contributes just 13% to total sales. So even if Eicher is saying that they have reported 95% in growth in export segment, but it's very minimal. It's almost the same for Hero MotoCorp. Now, so two of the major outperformers in July, the month of July, are TVS Motor and Hero MotoCorp. Why? It was an all-round beat by TVS Motor. You talk about domestic, you talk about exports, everywhere they have done very well. Now for Hero, domestic segment has done well. And especially in the domestic segment, one segment that has been doing well is the scooter segment, where it has seen a growth of 64% versus expectation of in the range of 20 to 25%. Motorcycle segment too has seen a growth, but that growth was below estimate. What about the outlook? Now, a festive season is coming. One segment that is expected to do well is the entry-level segment. And two of the biggest players in this segment are TVS Motor and Hero MotoCorp. Even in the commentary also, Hero MotoCorp is saying that retail demand has been stable and expects volumes to rise as the festive season approaches. So that's the reason you are seeing a big move in all these names.
Okay, all right, Sudarshan, thanks very much for that. So yes, it's definitely the two-wheelers which are really riding away in today's trading session. As you can see, Bajaj Auto, TVS Motors, Hero MotoCorp, Eicher Motors, all of these stocks doing well in today's trade. We'll take a short break, but we'll do that and give you a reminder as well for our viewers. Unlock a world of exclusivity, expertise and influence. Become a member of CNBC-TV18 Access, our premium members-only experience on CNBC-TV18.com. The membership includes access to CNBC-TV18's flagship events, interaction with our journalists, along with curated studio tours, e-learning sessions and masterclasses, and curated lifestyle benefits.